Okay, hi guys, how are you? Okay, today let us look at the general journal, the information that we are supposed to record in our past year and four. So, what we are going to record here, we are going to record all the information that is having the amount. As you can see that we are having drawings, which is 24,850, vehicle at cost, which is 500,000, accumulated, which is 50,000, bank overdraft, which is 15,000, petty cash, which is 850, and the suppliers control, which is 600, and VAT control, which is 12,400. So where do we start? Now, at the bottom here, they said take on balances. Then they gave us this information, which we are supposed to read and see what are they saying about this. So as you can see that they are saying use the information in question 3.8. Remember, this information on top here is 3.8. What are we supposed to do there? We are supposed to process the opening balances of the general account on the 29 February 2020 in the relevant journal. Now, what are we supposed to use? Use the increment references, use balance as description, do not use text, print and update the page. Okay, this is the information that we are given. So now, where are we going to start from now? Okay, let's go to our pastel. In our pastel, now here, the first thing first that you are supposed to do, we need to go to process journals. So remember, we are doing what is called general journal. So we double click there. So your general journal is like this. So please make sure that before you start here, we need to go to settings. So under settings, we need to click here where it says text processing because we are recording the transactions of the previous year, of last year. So here where it says this year transactions, it should be a no. Then remember that they said use the increment reference. We should say yes. So here you can see that it says debit and credit. It's what we need, this part. So in most cases, it will be like this. So for you, make sure that you untick where it says text processing so that we can have debit and credit because we are recording the opening balances. Okay, after this, there's nothing else that we have to do here. We can just say close. Then, now, do you see that here it changed to 2020? Sorry, to 2019 instead of 2020, according to our question paper. So it's not a problem that. So what you need to do, you need to go down to period 12. Then you click that. Now, do you see that it has went back to the date that they wanted, which is 29 February 2020. So now, remember that, let's go back to our information. I want to show you something. Now, this information, remember that our capital does not have an amount. So it's fine. We are going to put capital at last. So drawings, you must know that our drawings they are what? They are debited. So let us go to our pastel. So we are going to start with drawings. Remember, our drawings are 54. We enter. Now, our reference, they did not tell us anything about our reference there. So what you can do, we can say GJ001 because they did not tell us anything about the references. But then about the description, they said we must use balance as our description. So, like I said to you, that our drawings, they will be debited with 24,850. Okay. Now we go to the second transaction, which we have a vehicle. Our vehicle, remember it was 62. And remember we are talking about vehicle at cost. So our vehicle is going to be 500,000.